Hey, what's up, guys? So today is Tuesday, and I decided to do a Trek-inspired map. I'm going to start playing it. We can talk about it after I go through the map.
Alright, Commander. We were able to cut through the nebula interference and beam you aboard the aft section of the ship. The radiation from the nebula causes havoc with energy weapons, so the Chief actually beamed over a projectile weapon which you can use. I know you aren't trained on older firearms, but it's pretty much point and shoot. Secondary power systems are on, but main power is offline, so don't expect turbo lifts or internal transports to work. You will have to go it on foot the rest of the way. The ship's proximity to the nebula is also causing our senses to ghost, but we seem to be detecting low-level life forms on board. They are not human, so be careful. Proceed to engineering to restore main power and fire off the main thrusters so we can pull you out of the edge of the nebula. This derelict ship hasn't been in service in several hundred years, and I don't want to lose it to this nebula. So get a move on, and Commander, don't die. Kimball out.
Ugh, two of them at once. So right now those AIs are walking around or just staying in one spot. They're depending on what they want to do. And this particular map, what I'm working on is VFX, like fire and smoke. I haven't let it hit. It's not designed to hit her yet or hurt her, but I just want to get the aesthetics down. And here we have some volumetric fogging that's happening. Oh, die, sucker. Oh my god. Alright, so I got some fog that's set up here, and really working on the sparks, the blood spatter textures, and then also audio. Like, I'm learning how to actually mix in the audio in triggers, and also like that communication at the beginning of the map. I used AI to actually build that out. So let me stop the game. I actually used AI to actually make that audio for the map. And again, I'm working on the lighting, and I'm working on more of the VFX today with the fog and everything. So I'm going to continue messing around with this particular map. I love Star Trek, and even though I'll never publish this as a game, it's got some interesting things that I can work on. Like when you get to a turbo lift, I'm going to build it out so that way it goes to another scene. And then I'm going to be working on triggers, like to actually turn on the engine or power the engine and then fire the thrusters. So the next thing I'm going to do is a quest system in this one, and I'm going to work on that tomorrow, along with actually having the doors open and close, that kind of thing. So anyways, hope you liked the video. I'm going to be adding more to it next month, or towards the end of this month. I'm going to actually build the game from the ground up and do a proper tutorial on it. So if you guys like to see a particular game built or rebuilt, just hit me up in the comments, and I'll talk to you then.